Hey everyone, I just modified my old school NAD garage stereo to have an IoT device in it so that it can be turned on and off. I did not buy just a standard plug-in that you plug into the wall. I bought one of these low-end, low-cost devices from eBay, and I installed it. I modified my stereo, put it inside the stereo, and it's functioning. So I'll turn up the volume a little bit. And I'll say, "Hey Google, turn off the stereo."
Sure, turning the stereo off.
"Hey Google, turn on the stereo."
You got it, turning on the stereo.
"Hey Google, turn off the stereo."
Okay, turning the stereo off.
Oh, "Hey Google, turn on the stereo."
Sure, turning the stereo on.
So there you have it. Google is controlling my stereo now. That's it.